Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Transit headlight. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new headlight bulb. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Always refer to your Ford Transit owner's manual for precise model-specific guidance before starting any work. Next, open the hood of your Ford Transit and locate the headlight assembly. You'll typically find 2 or 3 retaining screws or clips that secure the unit. Carefully remove these fasteners using your screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire headlight unit straight forward. This action will unseat it from its mounting points, giving you access to the back of the assembly. Now, with the headlight unit out, you can access the bulb. First, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it off. Then, depending on your model, you might need to unclip a retaining spring or twist the bulb counterclockwise to remove it. Take out the old bulb and insert the new one, being very careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Finally, it's time to put everything back together. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Carefully slide the entire headlight unit back into its mounting position until it sits flush. Reinstall all the retaining screws or clips you removed earlier, tightening them securely. Once everything is fastened, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.